Not panic. Health experts and local leaders are encouraging cities, hospitals, and health departments to take steps to make sure they are ready. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland continues our live team coverage tonight in the city of New Haven. Matt?
Well, Dennis, we were in Waterbury earlier this afternoon where they tell us that they've been prepping for potential coronavirus cases since January. And because of that, they say they're cautiously optimistic. But Connecticut's 2 U.S. senators say the state still needs more testing kits to keep people safe.
We said this is either going to be nothing or the challenge of our lives.
So Dr. Paul Porter with St. Mary's Hospital in Waterbury says for the past 2 months they've been prepping as cases of the coronavirus continue to pop up across the country.
You do 2 swabs, and you would put it in the patient's nose and twist it, and then a second one in their throat and twist it. You break the stick, seal it in the tube.
From there, the samples go to the state lab. But experts say the big problem nationwide is the need for more kits to test those samples.
The difficulty today is that we don't know how many cases we have in this country because we don't have the ability to test.
Today in Waterbury, U.S. Senators Chris Murphy and Richard Blumenthal highlighted a bipartisan $8.3 billion emergency funding package signed by the president this morning.
There's money in this package for development of a vaccine, $3 billion for research into diagnostic tests.
The first batch includes $475 million for the 50 states to help reimburse work taking place at the state and local levels. As part of its planning, Waterbury says its 911 operators are now screening callers, asking for symptoms like trouble breathing and travel history to or contact with anyone from an impacted area, so first responders and hospital staff can prepare.
We want them to call before they break the plane. We can bring out a mask to the car so we can cover their nose and mouth so that they don't breathe the virus all over our emergency departments or waiting rooms.
Now this afternoon, Connecticut's congressional delegation did send a letter to the CDC asking for more testing kits. As for the money that Connecticut's going to get because of that federal funding bill, that emergency bill that was just signed by the president, well, the 2 senators say they don't have the breakdown yet exactly, but it's going to be in the millions of dollars, and they say the states should start seeing that money in the next 30 days. We're live with the mobile newsroom. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.